front of me is TCL 605, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent. Click on this gear at the top left corner, and then adjust all of those options however you want to. You can check out Preview at the top. When you finished, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Hit Set as Live Wallpaper. Choose Yes. Tap on Apply to over here and decide where you wish to apply it by tapping on one of those options. Then confirm your choice by hitting Apply at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!